Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt bowl at home. We'll start by selecting the perfect base. Opt for plain, creamy yogurt, like Greek yogurt, which offers extra protein and a thicker texture. For a single serving, aim for about 1 cup or 240 milliliters as your foundation. This simple step sets the stage for a truly satisfying and healthy meal or snack. Next, let's infuse your bowl with vibrant flavors and satisfying textures. Fresh fruits are a must. Think juicy berries, thinly sliced bananas, or tangy kiwi. For that essential crunch, sprinkle in about 1/4 cup or 30 grams of your favorite granola or rolled oats. Don't forget dried fruits like raisins or cranberries, which provide a concentrated burst of natural sweetness and a chewy contrast. Now, let's elevate the nutritional profile of your yogurt bowl with some powerful additions. Chia seeds are fantastic. Just 1 tablespoon or 15 grams provides beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. For healthy fats and a delightful crunch, add a small handful, around 20 grams, of almonds or walnuts. And for a touch of tropical flair and a unique texture, consider a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes. Finally, it's time to add those finishing touches and truly make your yogurt bowl your own. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a drizzle of 1 to 2 teaspoons or 5 to 10 milliliters of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. A pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract can also enhance the overall flavor. Remember, the beauty of a homemade yogurt bowl is the endless possibilities for personalization. Enjoy creating your perfect combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.